Goko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, ni kwa nyitana. Kwina marua marekererio ni family ya Maureen, blogger uria akuire mwaka wa 2019. We have seen andu aria me mwena wa UDA na Ruto ni areririe horo cio. They have tried to frame Gachagua na makauga ati uthuthuria wekwo tondu maroka makauga atiriri kana makauga atiriri Gachagua was involved. Guys, family ni aregana na horo ucio, and as we speak Gachagua is very happy. Family rauga atiriri ati kwina mundu uretwo James ni tahikitie mamu wa Maureen, na mamu wa Maureen akauga atiriri matiganire mwaka wa 2006. Nati uyu Kinyuai kana James ye ndahusikire thini wa kurera Maureen kana upbringing ya Maureen akwa ndokire thini wa preparation ya mathiko ma Maureen, toro uguo tu anadokire mathiko ma Maureen. Family no ikauga atiriri uyu mundu ni gutumirwo atumirwo ni some politicians igetha ma achieve some goal. Makauga atiriri Maureen akwa ni mgwekirwo Maureen akwa mundu tondu akwitwo ni nduthi, mundu wa nduthi na mundu wa ngari ni mathire borithi, ati postmortem ni ekirwo na gukionekana ati Maureen akuire through that accident. Toro uguo tu makauga atiriri they were compensated through maundu macio mothe. No kugera marua mao marauga atiriri ati uyu James ni aratumirwo ni wanasiasa ana egetha maundu maria marekordirwo kuria thibitari mathie matampo namo, maundu maria marekordirwo borithi mathie makome tampered with, egetha riu o fix na kota gutwarithia narrative yao. No family no nireganite no horo ucio na ikauga atiriri ithuĩ tutigucoka hau, niki mwoka gukiria kironda kiria twari nakio, niki mwoka gukiria kironda kiria Maureen ahurukire. We are satisfied no ria postmortem yekirwo na gikuo giake ni tuonire. We are satisfied with that. Niki mwoka gukiria maundu mekikire, niki mwenda gukiria maundu maya egetha gwikoya ukona kamu achieve some political mileage, niki mweka maundu macio. Niguo family ya Maureen, mama Maureen na brother yake kugera advocate ao mwandikite marua. Guys, lakini muthomere marua macio tetai muone number 6 na 7 hari kenda muone uria family no yugete no uria mukitha maka expose maundu maingi na maundu manene. Ladies and gentlemen, ino video ndamwe yete okene muno subscribe thini wa channel podcast kuri kwenda mahema maundu tamaya tetogere through marua maya ma family ya Maureen wone uria maugete. Mogeteo death of Maureen, Gathigia Kinyua, Nancy Wajiro Morage, Francis Kiama Kinyua versus James Kinyua Macharia. We act for Nancy Wajiro and Francis Kiama Kinyua, the mother and brother of Maureen Kinyua. Our current attention has been drawn to a letter circulating on social media dated 19th March 2026, written to you by the firm of Omneke Undeje and co-advocate on behalf of James Kinyua Macharia, requesting for inquest into her death. Dike horo na bemwe. Our clients have instructed us to write and address you as follows. Number 1, that the said James Kinyua Macharia parted ways with Nancy Wajiro Morage in the year 2006 and was not involved in any way in deceased upbringing, education of her life. He was never married to the deceased mother. Ati guti undu ari involved nago kwiko ni githomo giake kumurera ona dahiga. Ati he was never married to deceased mother. Renda matiikanitie na mamu wa uria mundu gwetwo Maureen. Number 2, that the said James Kinyua Macharia did not condole with the deceased mother and brother after the deceased death, did not participate in funeral participation and never attended her burial. Atandwa giku kia Maureen wanadokire da participate kana da korio thini wa mathiko kuhariria mathiko ona mathiko da kinyire na baithatu. That if James Kinyua Macharia was a father, he alleges, he would have known that Maureen died as a result of fatal road accident which occurred on 24th May 2019 at about 6:30 at Sagana Catholic Church along Kia Mariga, Hombe Road, involving motor vehicle registering Makadika KCJ, Toyota Center, and motorcycle registering number KMAB, Tiger, and deceased was pillion passenger in the said motorcycle, Nabanya. That he would also have known that the driver of the said motor vehicle was Jackson Nganga Njola, was charged by your office with the offense of concealed death by dangerous driving, contrary to Section 46 of the Traffic Act, vide Karatina Principal Magistrates Court, traffic cause number 24-19, where he was put into his defense. Number 5, that further he will still have known the mother and brother filed Karatina Principal Magistrates Court civil case number 70-2019 against Francis Mugedi Njagi and Jackson Nganga Njola, the owner and driver of the said motor vehicle, and the court found them 100% liable for the accident, and they got compensated. Atema compensated. Ketodire part 6. Hani orally. That the hospital records and the post-mortem reports dated 30th May 2019 clearly show the cause of death as the head and chest injuries due to blood force trauma following a road accident where the deceased was pillion passenger. There is therefore no doubt as to the cause of death of deceased. To warrant an inquest, our clients were satisfied and moved on. Moigwa, our clients have information that there are some people trying to tamper with the hospital, police, and court records with sinister motive. Atikwenda dumarageria we Kwaria go tamper na records iria cithibitari igotini ni undu wa motive yao. No wana mauga atiriri, family is satisfied tondu postmortem yako ni mwana akwire through accident. We namba mugwanja, that the revisiting of this matter 7 years after death of deceased by the said James Kinyo Macharia, some politicians and bloggers, is causing our clients deep pain when they are still struggling to heal. Ni maigwa ati kurio keshiro yo niko tuma family no ekwana ruo rwike mono. Our clients are wondering why the said James Kinyo Macharia is waking up 7 years after the death and burial of the deceased to assist bloggers and some politicians dance on her grave. His actions are being motivated by ulterior factors other than sincere desire to vindicate justice. Where was he when the deceased was alive? Where was he immediately after the accident and her death? He is trying to get even with our clients having abandoned them with the deceased at their hour of need and cause them more pain by opening healing wounds through his letters and social media. He is being used by politicians and bloggers to achieve this. We trust this information will be assistance to your office. Buy a copy of this letter and advocate for James Kinyo Macharia. Accordingly informed, yours faithfully, Wahome and Gikonyo advocate. Nimoigwa ohoro yothe. Na family uga atiriri, they were satisfied na gikuo kia Maureen todo postmortem nionanirie ati ni accident. No ati kwena politicians maratumira kana kwena politicians marenda kuriokia cira uria magatampa na maundu maria na evidence vitale kana records iria vitale records iria borithi egetha achieve some motive. Naigua the guy James ndari muturire-ini wa mundu wetwo Maureen in bringing kana akomorera ndari ho ona akua ndokire mathiko make ndari ho thini wa preparation. Maigua atiriri au makutha ici na makuga atiri thini wa marwa macio nitagutumirwo atumirwo ni politician niona politician na bloggers. And I think this family nimeka undu mwe wa bata muno kweyeherania na uhoro ucio. Niki undu wa gikikire atiriri andu gukira mathitangirwo na makauga wega mundu wa nduthi na mundu wa ngari ni mathitangirwo na kwena compensation yekirwo. Magicoka mariokie cira uria atia atiriri andu aria moete mundu uyu igetha mariukie cira uyu kamata na information ati ni gwathirwo igoti-ini postmortem igikwo na ni kwenda compensation yekirwo kamata na information iyo ladies and gentlemen no ngikirigwo muno moni manyu meko at least Gachagua ni ahihia but heko kwa hiyo familia at least ni meko ndo afata muno because Magiarwa are losing battle todo mundu maya mothe ni mathiri igoti-ini mundu mothe ni mekikire postmortem igikika thio igoti-ini mundu wa nduthi na mundu wa ngari compensation igikwo then magiathi igoti-ini gweka atioke. So I told you they were trying to frame Gachagua thini wa gikuo giki. I told you ndeto botiona uria kwandikitwo. I told you they were trying to frame Gachagua thini wa case ino. Guys, guku ni Kwikiko podcast. Mwani manyu na mariko inyu murona atia. Thank you, God bless you.